Hi Rohit, I've seen your inquiry on our website. I also did get a chance to find your LinkedIn profile, connected with you. Let me know if we can schedule a call tomorrow at 10 p.m. your time. Leave a message over here or email me at sampath@intandemly.com. Hey, wait, do you think that was a voicemail that I'm leaving? No, that was a LinkedIn voice message. Hi guys, this is Sampath from Intandemly, and today I'm going to give you 4 steps that you should use in order to leverage LinkedIn voice message. Believe me, this is a great technology. Now, one thing that I would like to mention very explicitly is this strategy can only be executed on the mobile phone because the LinkedIn web app does not have the provision to leave voice messages. Next, you can only send voice messages to their first degree connections, so you need to make sure that the target people that you want to pitch to are actually connected within your network. Now moving on to the 4 steps. Step number 1. Before you actually send a message, do make sure you find your personalization point, whether it's the industry, whether it's the website, and LinkedIn profile itself talks about a lot. So learn as much as possible in maybe like a couple of glances. Pick your key points. Point number 2 is first, connect with them on LinkedIn. And the moment they add, do not send the message. Wait for 2 or 3 days. Point number 3 is this is the time you apply the 10:30:10 rule of recording your message. So the first 10 seconds focus just on introducing yourself, and it should not exceed 10 seconds. So you could actually start off something like, hey, I've seen your website and found it interesting. You can bring your own pitch. Your next 30 seconds should be only focusing on value proposition and what exactly your product or service offers, and the last 10 seconds is just all about call to action. Point number 4 is check the listen receipt that LinkedIn gives you, and it kind of notifies you if they actually listen to your recording or not. And in case they do not respond, which is most likely the situation, at least 8 out of 10 people do not respond, then after 2 days again follow up with them asking if they have an update on the recording. This is a brilliant technology that you really need to leverage. Instead of phone voice messages, I really think LinkedIn voice messages will be the next big thing. Okay guys, let me know your feedback on this and do try the strategy.